Wondering how to send chatbot messages based on time or specific day of the week, then watch this video till the end. So that means to determine different types of messages you want to send and when you want to send them to be delivered. For example, you might have different messages for weekdays, weekends, holidays, or specific times of the day. For example, that means during this business hours you want to send this kind of customized messages, and after the business hours you want to send this kind of type of messages. So let's see how this actually works. So in this specific example, we are going to offer a specific discount game for the customers only on Fridays and only between 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. So this is just an example. So you can actually display this kind of QR codes in your business location or those kind of things. So now let's see how this actually works. So for example, let me show the setup over here. For example, it says current day of the week is Friday and the current time interval is 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. So that's what I referred over here, 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. over here. So you can even easily change this kind of settings over here. For example, you can change to a different week, different day of the week, or if you want to simply change a different kind of times over here. And also if you want to remove specific conditions, you can do that as well. And for example, we have other different conditions as well. For example, let me select a condition over here and click on scroll down to time conditions, date and time, and here you can even select current day of the month or current month, those kind of things as well, and even based on current date, time, those kind of things are possible as well. So without any further ado, let me show the demo how this actually works. So what I'm going to do here is that I'm going to scan this specific QR code over here, and keep in mind it says Friday 6:26 a.m. So based on what we have set up over here, 5 a.m. to 5 p.m., it should allow me to participate in this spin wheel game discount. So let me quickly scan this particular QR code on my mobile and see what happens over here. So let me show the phone screen over here, and I'm just scanning the QR code and it takes me to the messenger, and let's see what happens over here. So it should allow me to participate in this particular discount game because it's Friday and 6:26 a.m. and that's why it actually allowed me to participate in this specific discount game. So as you see here, I have received this exact message asking me to click on this particular button to save big. So let me do that real quick over here. So it actually sent me the instructions, and it says we have only 2 chances, go ahead and spin the wheel. And here based on the discount game, the customers can receive up to maximum 12% discount over here. So we have set the discount from minimum 1 to 12%. So that's the maximum they can win is 12%. So let's spin the wheel and see what happens over here. So I'm spinning the first chance for me. So it should send me this kind of gift, and after that it should send me this kind of messages, and this time I actually won 8%. So at this point the customers have an option to choose this particular discount and claim it. Otherwise they can actually try again as well. So if they want to try again, they will actually lose this 8% discount. Sometimes they might win higher than this particular 8% discount, otherwise they might actually win less. So, and it simply says you will lose your existing 8% discount and this is your final chance. So let's try again and see how this actually works. So I have just spinned again and it says it's the time for your final spin. Let's see what you have won, and I actually won 4% only this time. So even though I actually won 8% initially, but this time I actually won only 4%. So at this point the customers can simply claim the discount if they want to. So let me choose claim discount. So that's the only options they have, as they have already used the 2 options as well. It simply asks me for the name over here. So let me enter the name, Roberto, something like that. So after that it simply asks for the email, phone number, those kind of things over here, and once they actually provide the phone number, they will actually receive this kind of message: thank you, please show this image to the cashier at the time of payment, and this is valid only on this particular date. And it simply says 4% discount, Robert, and their phone number valid only on September 1, 2023. So they can simply claim the 4% discount over here. So now let's say if they want to try again to scan the QR code. So if they actually try again, let's see what happens over here. So I'm just scanning the QR code over here, and let me press that button over here. So it shouldn't allow the customer to participate in the particular discount game because they actually have won a particular discount. So it says, sorry, it looks like you have already participated in the spin wheel game today. So it simply says this kind of message. So we can also check how this actually respond when they actually scan the QR code in a different time or a day of the week. So because this actually works only on Fridays 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. So let me change the condition over here. So what we can do here is that we can actually simply change the day of the week to a different day. Let's say it's Monday. So we can actually untick Friday and choose Monday only. So now it actually works only during the Monday and also between 5 a.m. to 5 p.m. So let me publish this one as, and when this particular condition is not met, it will actually simply send this kind of message. So we have to change this to Monday as well to keep things clear. So let me update over here. So now today is Friday 5 a.m. but this actually works only on Monday. So now let me scan the QR code again and see what happens over here, and let's see what kind of error message we are getting over here. So it says spin wheel fun is paused. We will be back every Monday from 5 to 5 p.m. and it also provide them an option to visit the website as well. So this is how the whole thing works. So if you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.